Hi, I'm Charles Lewton-Brain, and we're here at the Metalworks Studios in Waltham, Massachusetts. And we're going to talk a little bit about the how-to for hardening and tempering steel. First of all, we need to use a tool steel, and for jewelers, for ordinary people, I would recommend W1, that stands for water hardening, W1 tool steel. And now we have to heat it up. I point the flame away from the vice grips because I'm going to be holding them and I don't want to burn my hand. I just heat the middle, not the end. The heat will gather there anyway. The middle is the right temperature. The shadows are almost gone. We're ready for quenching. Vertical. There we go. And so you can see that the steel is relatively clean and relatively scale-free. If I take a file on this back part, which did not get heated, this is still annealed. Listen. And then on this front part, which was hardened, you will hear a difference. And that's how easy it is to harden and temper.